Fuel tankers in India have been built from mild steel for years. These are heavy, they corrode over time, and typically require replacement every 10 to 15 years. That means higher maintenance, more downtime, and rising operational costs year after year. Aluminum tankers, assembled by Ab N Dhruv Autocraft, supplied by Heil Asia, Thailand, are engineered for performance, longevity, and safety. They are unique in the market, making Ab N Dhruv the go-to option for all things aluminum. They are the first bodybuilder in India to receive the PESO certification for the manufacturing of aluminum petroleum tankers. Now appointed as Heil's channel partner in India, the business model will see the company receiving Heil Asia kits for local assembly and finalization at their facility in Gujarat. A well-designed aluminum tanker can remain in service for more than 25 years, offering long-lasting strength with minimal corrosion or structural wear. Since aluminum is roughly 30% lighter than steel, each unit can transport significantly more fuel. This efficiency means operators can move the same volume using fewer vehicles, cutting down on fuel use, labor costs, and mechanical strain. Overall, this translates to about 20% lower operating expenses per tanker, alongside reduced maintenance requirements. In the event of an accident, aluminum's lower tendency to spark helps minimize fire hazards. Its natural flexibility also makes it more resistant to cracking under stress, fatigue, or impact. The lighter build improves maneuverability in both rough terrain and congested urban traffic, enhancing safety and ease of operation. Unlike steel, aluminum will not rust. This preserves the tanker's structural integrity and protects fuel quality, thanks to its non-reactive nature. Environmentally, aluminum tankers carry further advantages. Their reduced weight and recyclability mean each one can prevent up to 40 tons of CO2 emissions over its lifetime. Ab N Dhruv, working in partnership with Heil Asia, brings premium performance to road tanker customers across India.